Hey, what's going on, everyone? Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. This is a quick pre-listing. This is brand new inventory. We're getting ready to run it through our reconditioning department and our service department. Once we're done with that, if it's still available for sale, we will have one of our full presentations. Quick walk around, 06 E46 M3 convertible, last year of the E46 generation. This is the high demand 6-speed manual transmission. I've put about 400 miles on the car. It drives out absolutely perfect in all aspects. Beautiful condition inside and out. This vehicle has not been detailed or anything by us yet, and that's why we're doing a pre-listing. It's getting ready to go in the shop tomorrow. We'll get a full paint correction. We are going to remove the front bumper and repaint it. You got a couple little imperfections on the bottom, which is typical on these, so that front bumper is going to be absolutely flawless. Full paint correction, and we'll be getting reconditioned for about 3 to 4 days, if not a little bit more, and of course fully serviced as well. Inside's very clean. It's condition wise very clean. I've been driving it, so it's a little dirty from that, but this is exactly how it came traded in. Beautiful car, cold weather package, 6-speed manual transmission, very clean car. Convertible top is also in perfect condition and works perfectly as well. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to contact us directly at 855-955-3377. Thank you.